Well, Todd, look at these. This is my first tickets to my first Hog game. But before I go, I'm going to need to get prepped for a big tailgate, hopefully, KATV tailgate for the Ole Miss game. And you, Jessica Jenkins, are the person to help me with that task.
Yes.
It looks like you have pretty much everything here from the Hogman's Game Day Superstore.
Yes, we do. We got everything from your tailgate items, automotive, clothes from men's, women's, and kids, and tons of our dishes, and we got our new metal trailer hitches.
Oh my goodness.
And just everything you're going to need for the tailgate season.
So what, if I need to be equipped, now we are pretty good tailgaters at the University of Maryland. We're pretty excellent, but I hear you guys might give us a run for our money. What is it I need to be, what do I need to get? I mean, what are all these things? What is this, first of all?
That's a trailer hitch cover. It's one of our newer ones. It's metal, and we have the red one over here also.
Oh, cool. And then you
decorate
also
your
have,
truck.
Razorback, I won't pick it up, but the spatula and everything you need for grilling out.
Yes, exactly. And then we got our dishes here for dips and chips, and you got your double eggs and all of that. And of course, you'll need your drinks too. So we got the pitcher.
And you've got coasters over there.
Yes.
To make sure you don't leave any lines. Of course, the foam finger.
Yes, you need one. You'll need to get one of those for your first football
much
game.
needed.
I can see you up in the stands.
Woo! Just like that. And you guys also have all of the outfitter wear that I need as well.
Yes, definitely. We got men's and women's.
I like your shirt.
Oh, thank you so much. This is our new bling shirt. We have one that just has the hog also, if you don't want to be too blinged out.
Well, I like the bling.
And then also this new sequence one has been a big hit for us also.
Very cool. So what else do we have here? I can see a lot of people wanting to pick this up. The cheerleader outfit.
Yes, everybody wants their baby
adorable.
girl to be in a cheerleading outfit with their matching pom-poms.
Raise them to love the Hogs. And you also have some odds and ends here. Maybe not necessarily for tailgating, but probably for just, decorating your house. What is this? It looks like a bird.
That is our birdhouse. It's one of our #1 sellers. Everybody wants to decorate their yard or their kitchen. Everybody, most Arkansans have their Razorback room. So everybody wants their signs, their picture frames to decorate your Razorback room.
And I noticed you're indoctrinating them early.
Yes.
Really?
Future fan right there. Future fan.
These are Hog bottles. Yes,
we have
really.
sippy cups also and pacifiers.
So even if they don't even understand football at this point, they can know what team they're going to be rooting for. Well, you guys, obviously, you have a huge store, but you have more than one location. You're kind of close to all the Hogs fans.
Right.
Where are you located?
We have 3 stores, one in Hot Springs in the Cornerstone Market, another one in North Little Rock on JFK, and the last one is in Little Rock on South University.
So we're going to put all of that information up there. They're pretty much near you wherever you are. They have a Twitter account where you can follow you guys.
Yes, the account is @GameDayAR. You can tweet us.
And you guys
have a Facebook page,
you have some special deals as well. Oh, our little animals barking already for the SPCA.
Yeah, speaking of animals, we do have pet items, dog collars and dog jerseys.
So we also have a giveaway today, too. And this morning, we are going to give away some awesome hog gear to the 7th emailer right now. It's a metal hog.
Yes, it's this big one down here. We have small, medium, and large. But today, we're going to give away the big one.
So email us at Saturday at KATV.com. And hopefully, you'll be the one to win this. It's the 7th emailer. So email now. Stay with us.